Hi, Vijay Mistry here, and thank you for joining me in this particular video where I would like to share with you a cutting-edge program, an executive training program for non-profit organization. This is about converting complex financials into simple executive information. So this is finance for directors and executives exclusively for the non-profit organization. I have a separate program for the for-profit organization, but this one is tailor-made to suit the non-profit organization. But before I talk about this particular program, I'd like to share with you certain challenges which I have noticed non-profit organizations having. The first is poor planning and preparation. In fact, I have noted that some non-profit organizations have got their priorities wrong, so they cannot set their priorities properly. They have conflicting priorities, and this is one of the key struggles which non-profits have. Another problem is cash flow struggles. Not really planning results in cash flow struggles as well. So this is another key problem which non-profits have. Third one is high expenses. I have noticed in some organizations, non-profits, that the expenses have been quite high as compared to what they are supposed to be. So there are certain small things, and I'll give you an example, is that checking with 3 suppliers and ensuring that there is that cost audit being done once a while, and those are the missing links in some of the non-profit organizations. Data security compromise. We know that data security is of prime importance and fundamental importance. I have incorporated this session as part of this particular program. Lack of accountability. There is this blame game, who's responsible for what, and we see a lot of leakages and negligence as well. Because at the end of the day, there is this negligence, not monitoring properly, not having the right feedback in place. So those are some of the key challenges which I've noticed non-profits have. So this is the program that you get. It is entirely an online program. So all you need to do is just pay online and you will get it straight away. It's got different sessions which I will walk you through so you know exactly what the sessions are. It has an executive manual and it has a workbook as well. So all this is downloadable. Let us go into the content of what this particular program is all about. So the module 1 has 9 fundamental principles of financial management. This is very important and crucial that you understand what are the key principles in financial management, financial responsibilities and the non-profit organization, accounting systems and security, annual reporting requirements, as well as the taxman and the non-profit organization. This is crucial. If you have directors, executives, managers, it's very important for them to have a deeper insight of the financials in your non-profit organization. The module 2 consists of the analysis and financial planning. So it gives you a deeper analysis of the financial planning, cornerstones of a non-profit financial plan, and then we go into financial statements analysis, and we have an example of an organization and what really happened. So there's this initiative taken, what return on investment you need to look into. That's all in the financial statements analysis, and we have also financial stability and health analysis. Very important for you to understand that at certain points, at certain intervals, you need to look into the health of your organization as regards financial. The third module, we then go into budgeting and projecting. We go into the 5 points for budget review, unit-based costing, cost benefit analysis, 8 things to know after completing a budget. Now, if you go through this particular program step by step, my idea is that you sharpen the financial competence. I'll be talking about the benefits, but I just wanted to tell you that this particular program is being done with the intention that you have the sharpness when it comes to financial competence. Let's move forward. The 4th module is on 4 financial oversight principles for non-profit organization, the philosophy, fiscal efficiencies, base costing strategies, income growth initiatives, very important to find out how you can attract more donors, financial management information, human resource and financial oversight. We then look into the benefits of this particular program. So first, you will have a clearer roadmap. you'll have much clarity in whatever you're doing. Secondly, you'll be easily able to attract donors, like I mentioned, because once you have the effectiveness in place, you will be able to see how to set the priorities and plan accordingly. So you will be able to pick up signals. The third point is on data. So enhance data security. This is very important and crucial, and this particular program has a case study on data as well, which you can go through and see. It's a scenario based example, but it gives you a practical hands-on as to what you really need to do. Sharpness. You'll be able to pick up red flags in your organization with ease, and this is what the intention is all about. You'll have sound financial controls, stronger cash reserves. You will also have a sound governance structure, because I'll even share with you additionally what you're going to get with this particular program. There's another program you're going to get. Efficient and compliant, sound budget structures, cost reduction strategies, increase revenue generation, and sharpened financial skills, like I mentioned earlier. Most important is it's going to ease up your stress. It's going to make you more confident. It is going to enable you to contribute better. So it is going to change the culture, the discipline, the mindset, and how your non-profit is working. So I believe this is an important program. I'll just summarize. This is what the program is all about. 6 multimedia high density videos. Obviously these are online videos, full color manual with frameworks, and full color workbook. This is like a lifelong learning program which you can have with you. We then look into certain bonuses. I'll give you the power of integration. If there is one program that is going to pay up for this particular program, this investment, it is the power of integration. This is about clarity, board level clarity and management clarity. It talks about excellence at each and every department, what you really need to do. I believe this is a game changer. This is a program which can help you. It's a 1 hour long program, but it is extremely powerful. I'll also give you the 55 winning sales ideas, which will give you insights of what you really need to do to generate revenue. Thirdly, excellence in board relationship. This is an e-manual, and I'll give you an executive workbook. Now, when we go into the e-manual, this is about certain policy templates which you can adopt for your organization. This is fantastic. You can implement these ones. They are just certain templates, but it will help you to progress in your organization. Now, here's what I'm adding to this particular program, and that is achieving boardroom excellence. So you get 3 modules, 7 sessions. This is about boardroom excellence, effectiveness at board level, because whatever happens at board level is going to permeate to the rest of the organization. And this covers corporate governance, role of directors, effective director chair, remuneration, progressive tips, types of board. It has certain case studies as well, succession planning, which is important, and effective meetings, as well as board questions, committees, and much more. So it has got a lot of insights that you can have for your particular organization. This alone is worth about $1,497, because I want to make this a no-brainer for you. This is an investment corporate training program which is going to shift the thinking in your organization and shift the effectiveness to something more positive. So this particular program obviously has got credence. It's got a green light status award from the UK Trade and Investment. Now, all you need to do is pay online. It's value for money, in my opinion, and it's a special price going on, so please take advantage of this. If you do have any questions, please email me vijaymisri@rentadirector.com. Thank you very much for your time, and whatever you decide, I wish you every success in whatever you do. Thank you.